What a great day for Samsung fans. Here is the latest information that we have about the Galaxy S23 Ultra. The Galaxy S23 Ultra will have a 200-megapixel camera with the new ISOCELL HP2 sensor. It will stick to the same ultra-wide camera unit, 3x, and 10x telephoto units as from the S22 Ultra, though the president did promise they will perform better through improved processing. Some leaks suggest that there might be a drop in the front camera module from 40MP to 12MP. Samsung is launching the Galaxy S23 Ultra with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2. RAM is said to be 8GB or 12GB with internal storage options being 256GB, 512GB or 1TB. The screen will be 6.8 inches with 2x dynamic AMOLED with 1440p resolution and 500 ppi. Protection on top will be Gorilla Glass Victus 2, which is stronger than the Victus Plus on the S22 Ultra. Size-wise, it will be almost the same as its predecessor Galaxy S22 Ultra. The Galaxy S23 Ultra also shares the 5000 mAh battery with 45 watts charging with its predecessor the S22 Ultra. The new phone will feature Android 13 and One UI 5.1. The connectivity features include Bluetooth 5.3, Wi-Fi 6E, and NFC. Samsung will announce the Galaxy S23 Ultra on February 1, 2023. The phone will come in black, violet, green, or cream colors. It is also expected that the price might be the same as the last year's Ultra, which started from €1,250. Let's wait and see whether Samsung will increase the prices or not. Thanks for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel. See you in the next one.